I'm Dad. Dad. Bluey.
Coming up, we're having a baby Chino with Bluey. And we learn how to make our own Bluey toy. And we've got a Min Min present to open. Come on, let's go play. We can make Bluey and Bingo. You'll need some coloured card, some scissors, some glue, and a toilet roll. Go to the ABC Kids website to get the template. There's a link in the description below. Making Bluey and her sister Bingo is easy. We just have to cut out all the shapes. Once you've got all your pieces ready, it's time to glue them together. Roll this up, roll that up, stick Bluey's face on, and some eyebrows too. It's starting to look like our friend Bluey. Bluey needs a tummy and some legs, and she's ready to play.
Bluey.
You can also make Bingo. You just need some different colours. We took our friend Bluey out for a baby Chino. Do you like baby Chinos? Little Blippi likes baby Chinos and marshmallows. Yum yum. Bluey likes baby Chinos too. What's in here? Oh, it's a little skateboard. Bluey wants to ride it. This is so much fun. It's time for our Min Min present. Oh, it's our rabbit. It's a Min Min Playtime rabbit. We had a lot of fun